last game, I'm being asked to put things into one of two groups, basically. And so here's the way I've organized my material, where the box in the middle is the overlap. So there's 4 that do 5-year, and there's 4 that do 10-year. 1, 2, 3, 4, all doing 10-year. 1, 2, 3, 4, all doing 5-year, and these two do both. So it's important to remember visually that this guy over here does 5-year, and this one right here is doing the 5-year, but also is 10-year. All right. With that in mind, I'm ready to... Oh, no, we didn't talk about rules, so I'm not ready to answer questions. H and L can't be together. Neither one of them are in the box, because in the box is with everybody. If V is 5, which means that if V is over here, or if V is in the box, then S is in the box, B for box, for both. If L does the 10-year, so if L is over here, or if L is in the box, then R also does 10-year. Now I'm ready to answer questions. Question 18 asks for a complete and accurate list. In answer choice A, you've got L doing the 10-year, but R is not. That's not accurate. Get rid of answer choice A. In answer choice B, we were told from the setup that there are 2 companies that offer both, not 4 companies that offer both. B is false. Get rid of B. In answer choice C, we're told from rule 1 that H and L cannot offer anything in common. In answer choice C, H is doing the 10-year along with Laurelou. Get rid of C. D doesn't offer any problems, so it's going to be the right answer. It follows the rules. E, on the other hand, has V doing the 5-year bonds, and S is not doing both. If V was offering the 5-year, S had to be doing both. So E is bad. All right, 19, if neither L nor V offers 5-year bonds. So L and V are not over here, and they're not in the box. They're not doing the 5-year. Well, H and L can't be together. H is doing the 5-year. And if L is doing the 10-year, which she is, then R has to be also. So R is in the box doing 10-year. And then we've got S and G, and I just don't know about them. One of them's doing just 5. The other one's doing both. What were we asked? What must be true? R offers both. Yeah. Question 20, a pair of corporations that could be the 2 that offer both types of bonds. How do you get S and V doing both types of bonds? S and V. Well, I don't have any rules about them beyond that, right? I've got to split up H and L. So let's say H is here, L is here. L does 10, R does 10. That leaves G here. Perfectly acceptable. You know, S and V could be the ones that offer 2 types, and you're just not going to get away with any of those without breaking rules. Question 21. If S and V offer only bonds of a different type. Now S and V are a different type from one another. Well, we know H and L are a different type from one another, and S and V are different, so neither of them are both. So that leaves G and R here. S and V are different. They can't be both. And by the way, if S and V are different, if V were doing the 5-year, they wouldn't be different because S would be doing 5 and 10. So V is not 5. Not that this has anything to do with answering this question, but I thought you might find it interesting. Could be the pair that offers only 10 years. Could be L and V. Might be H and V, but it could be L and V. 22, a pair of corporations that could be the 2 that offer only 5-year bonds. G and H, we have already seen that that's a possibility. G and H totally could offer only 5-year bonds. We know it's possible. 23, if G offers only one type and H offers only the other type, what must be true? All right, so you're either going to have G offering the 10-year and H here, L here, box. Or you're going to have G offering the 5, H offering the 10, L here, box. What has to be true? All right, so let's go through what we know. If L is doing the 10-year, so is R. So R is going to go in the box, and then you've got S and V. And oh, wait, they could go in either order, except either way, V is doing the 5-year. Whether we put her here or here, she's doing the 5-year, which means S has to do the both. So S is both, V is just the 5-year. Here, like, I mean, I don't know, V and R and S, and it doesn't matter what you do with them. You can end up in the same place, like, by just trying out either possibility. Like this, here's what I mean. V is either in the box or out of the box. And that's not a very good box. It doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter at all if I start with V or R or S. You know, for each of them, it's true that they're either in the box or out of the box. Well, if V is in the box, she's doing the 5-year, so S is also doing the 5-year. S is doing the both. That means R is here. If V is not, then you've got S and R here. Sensible? Pretty clear? Straightforward? What must be true? G offers 10-year. Maybe, but maybe not. R offers 5-year. Maybe not. R offers 10-year. Yes, yes, yes. That's our answer. As opposed to V offering 5-year. I mean, maybe, but maybe not. V offering 10-year. Maybe, but maybe not. And that then finishes this game, and that's this section, and that finishes this test.